Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Amex Gold Card hotel benefits. We'll dive into how this card can enhance your travel experiences, specifically when booking hotel stays. You'll learn about the exclusive perks available, such as valuable statement credits and potential room upgrades, which can make your trips more comfortable and rewarding. Understanding these benefits is key to maximizing your card's value. One of the standout features is access to the hotel collection. When you book a qualifying stay of 2 consecutive nights or more through American Express Travel, you can receive a $200 experience credit to use on amenities like dining or spa services. Plus, you'll often get a complimentary room upgrade upon arrival, subject to availability, adding extra comfort to your trip. To truly maximize your Amex Gold hotel benefits, always book your stays directly through the American Express Travel portal. This ensures you qualify for the $200 experience credit and potential room upgrades. Also, consider stacking these benefits with any existing hotel loyalty program statuses you might have, as this can lead to even greater savings and enhanced experiences during your travels. So, is the Amex Gold Card the right choice for your hotel stays? If you frequently travel and appreciate valuable perks like statement credits and room upgrades, it offers substantial value. Weigh the annual fee against the $200 hotel collection credit and other travel benefits. For those who enjoy dining and travel, this card can certainly elevate your experiences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.